What is going on, people? Welcome back to the channel where we talk about all things tech. And today, a long overdue video, we are going to talk about these switches that are the completely opposite of what we saw on the Rosewood switches. Ladies and gents, the Akko Botany switches. We are going to unbox this, see everything inside, and I'm also going to share a teardown of these switches and also my honest thoughts and opinion about the product, and of course a hefty amount of sound test. So let's go. Okay, so right off the bat, I just want to say that these switches look phenomenal. Love the color. I think maybe it's teal. I don't know. Just gives off a nice leafy and nature-like vibes. You know what I'm saying? These switches are 5-pin linear switches that comes in $14 or 800 Philippine peso per 4 to 5 pieces. As always, I will put the links where you can avail these switches in the description down below. Okay, so the switch is made out of PA12 or nylon 12 top housing and PA6 or nylon 6 for the bottom housing. It also has a stem which is made out of Akko's custom nylon pro, 22mm single stage spring which has an actuation force of 38 grams, bottoming out at 43 grams. These switches have a pre-travel of 2mm and a total travel of 3.6mm. They also have a nice little factory lube, making them feel very smooth out of the box. If you've seen my review of the Akko Rosewood switches, they are basically the same switch with the same materials. They vary in operating force, pre-travel and total travel, but the typing feel is just pretty much the same. Maybe I'm missing something out, but personally I feel like they're just about the same. Rosewood switches produces really low marbly thox, but this one has a mid-pitch that is, I think, very close to Akko's Piano Pro switches. These switches are just a tiny bit deeper sounding. They sound absolutely great if you're looking for something that thox deep, but not as deep as the Rosewood switches. I'm gonna mount these on Montsgeek M1 V3, which I will be doing a separate review. I'm also gonna pair it with Akko's cool grade double shot PBT chair profile keycaps and give you guys the sound test. Okay, so these switches stock. They have a very calmly feel to them. They're not very hard to operate thanks to the light actuation force, and they are also smooth on the entirety of the keystroke. They feel like the Akko Rosewood switches but with a different sound profile. They have a balanced sound on the bottom and on the release. They also look great. I love the colors. Really enjoyed typing on these, especially on long typing sessions. They are just very comfortable to type with. And speaking about colors, I want to share with you one of our sponsors, Dehancer. Dehancer is a plugin for your favorite editing softwares that converts and color grades your log videos on a click of a button. They also have an iOS app that will surely make your stories and posts a lot more interesting. Use my 10% discount code to save on your next purchase. If you already tried the Akko Rosewood switches, you have to give this a try. That's it for this review. Let me know in the comments down below on what you think about the Akko Botany. And also tell me what you want to see next. Drop a like if you enjoyed today's review. And also subscribe to see more contents and reviews like this. And as always, peace.